Good morning, flippers and holders, investors and collectors. Today is the first day and the first video of our how-to guides on all things NFTs. And today we're gonna show you how to set up a Nami wallet on the Cardano blockchain. So make sure you stay tuned and let's get to it. The first step is pulling up your favorite browser, go to the search bar and type Nami Wallet. You will see on the top here, make sure that it says namiwallet.io and you click on the link found on top and you will see where the available browsers are at for you to install the wallet. From here, you click on Brave and it'll take you to the section where you can install the app, add to Brave, add extension, then you wait for it to download and set up. And now it's been added to your browser. From here, you click on the puzzle Nami, and then if you have a wallet on another browser or somewhere else, you can click import, but we want to create a new wallet, so we click on new wallet. Now this is really important. When you create a new wallet, you're gonna get a seed phrase and you have to write these down. Do not take a picture of it, do not store it on your computer or on your phone. Take it completely offline on a piece of pen and paper to begin with, and make sure that you put it in a safe spot. You accept and continue. Now you see this, here it comes. You'll get the seed phrase. This is the important thing that I told you guys about. And then you write these numbers down and then you click, after you're done, you click you've stored it, and then you click on next. After you've stored your seed phrase offline on a piece of pen and paper, what you want to do then is click next. Then you get into this window where you have to fill in the missing words. So take a look at your piece of paper, what you've written down, and fill in the gaps where it needs to be filled. Then you click the next and then you create a name for your account. You enter your name here, we'll call it Tanjiro Tutorial. And then you type in your preferred password, make sure that it's safe and stored somewhere offline and not online. You cannot be safe enough with these things. And then you click create. Now you've successfully created a Nami wallet. So what is the next step? Now, where did your Nami wallet go? Again, click on the puzzle. And when you click on Nami this time, the wallet will pop up. Now to send funds to your wallet, you click on the receive button, you copy the receiving address, and you put that in whatever exchange or whatever wallet you want to send from to receive crypto into this wallet. And the same if you want to send funds, you need the receiving address from the other wallet you want to send it to or exchange you want to send it to. You post it in here, you click the number of ADA you want to send, and then you send. If you want to send assets, your asset will come up here. You can click on the single assets that you want to send, or you can go on the send button and add the assets from here. That was it for the Nami wallet tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. There's going to be plenty of how-to videos to set up different wallets on different chains in the future. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.